Your math test is going to be out of 20 points. Let's say your goal was to get at least a 70% on it. How many points would you have to get if you wanted a C or higher? Go ahead and work through this problem, pause the video, and hit play when you're ready to see how it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and create a table here, diagram, to help us out with this one here. We're saying that the test is out of 20 points here, so we know that 20 points, let's say if we got 20 out of 20, well, that would be 100% on our test. We're trying to get at least a 70%, so we're trying to figure out here what percent we need to get, or how many points we need to get 70%. So in this case here, our diagram here, we know that 20 points is 100%, and we're trying to find out how many points is 70%, which is the lowest score that we could get to get our C. Now in this one here, we want to find a common factor, and when we're dealing with common factors, the first thing we want to look at, is there any common factors that help us with our benchmark percentages, 10%, 20%, 25, or 50%, because these are really common and really easy to help us out with these. In this case here, I'm going to go ahead and choose 10%. Anything that ends with zeros, I know that is a factor, that 10 is a factor of it. So I can divide 100 by 10 and then multiply 10 times 7. We've found our path here to solve and figure out how to get from where we're at to where we're going. So we're just going to do the same thing on the other side of the equation. We're going to divide by 10 and multiply by 7. 20 divided by 10 is 2, meaning that 10% is 2 points. And then 2 times 7 is 14. So 14 out of 20 points would give us a 70%. So we'd need at least a 14 out of 20 to get our C.